everyone, my name is Amy and I am from Durban, South Africa. I'm so excited to meet you. I'm a native English speaker, a certified TEFL instructor, a human resources professional, and a customer support specialist. This means I work with people on a daily. So yes, I specialize in teaching everyday conversational English as well as business English, assisting professionals. So I can also help you to improve in your everyday communication skills, both for your personal reasons or for professional success. As long as you want to improve in English fluency, I am here to assist you. And plus, my lessons are very much personalized and they're goal driven. And I love working with a variety of students, from your beginners to your advanced learners and also to, your business professionals. Because I ensure that I focus on the kind of English that you will actually get to use in real life communication and also in real life scenarios. I also have a background in coaching, in team leadership, and also in training. So I'm very much passionate about helping people to achieve their goals because they're also helping me. And my teaching style, it's very much interactive because I actively encourage my students to participate, and I'm very much patient with them, and I can also easily adapt to any unique learner's needs. So yeah, if you're ready to enhance your English skills in a fun and in a supportive structure and a supportive environment, just book a trial lesson today and we can get started. Thank you so much. Do enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.